This is a DRM message file, often used by Sony Ericsson phones. It's a copy-protected ringtone or image. It's locked to the phone. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the lock. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the DM format fails. More on this later. The file header identifies the DM extension as belonging to the uncommon file type. It utilizes the DRM Delivery Message format. The DM file is a proprietary digital rights management DRM file used by Sony Mobile Communications. It functions as an encrypted license file that grants permission to use protected media or application content on a mobile device. Developed by Sony Mobile Communications, the format is closed source and encrypted. The file is unusable and inaccessible without the specific device and the DRM packager software to verify the license. This proprietary format is best opened by DRM packager from Sony Mobile Communications for the DM type. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows shows limited metadata, but the content itself requires legacy software. To resolve the incompatible format issue, right-click the DM file and choose Open With. Prioritize DRM packager if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a functional file claim. If your DM file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. If your DM file is still uncooperative, the time for guessing is over. Let's test these primary failure points immediately to confirm the source. First, identify DRM software. Determine the software that was used to encrypt the file, e.g. specific security program. Next, Use Decryption Tool. Open the original encryption software and use the decrypt or open function, providing the correct password or certificate. Finally, check associated files. Ensure the associated data files, e.g. main video document, are present. If your existing software still can't claim the DM file, the only sensible move is to install the master key, a universal viewing platform. It gives you the best chance to open resistant formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your DM file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Signing off for now. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.